Hello folks, welcome to Yardie's kitchen. As you can see, I have some crazy ingredients on my counter. I have some scallions, some shadow benny or cilantro, some sweet peppers, tomatoes, and I have some salted cod saltfish that I boiled a couple times and clean it up, pick it up and things. Some garlic that I cut up right there. I have some green seasoning, trusty green seasoning. And as you can see, guys, it's going to be an awesome time here in Yardie's kitchen. Here I have some Ackees, yes, Jamaican Ackees, the national dish of Jamaica that I have in the pot boiling. So you know that mean Ackee and Saltfish, the thing turn up, remember me tell you. But look what me going to have with it now. Grits. Yes, have you ever had Ackee and grits? No, sir, I don't think you've ever had Ackee and grits. But here in Yardie's kitchen, we're taking it one notch up and above. All right, let me start. Coconut milk. 1 cup of coconut milk. As a matter of fact, I'm using 2 cups of coconut milk with 2 cups of water because I'm making grits for the family. So it's 2 cups of coconut milk and 2 cups of water, and you just pretty much want to add these together and allow them to boil. Yes, you're gonna put coconut water, coconut milk rather, with 2 cups of water and allow it to boil. And guess what I found in my freezer, guys? Yes, I find some shrimp. Yes, deveined raw shrimp. I find it in my freezer, so you know, Ackee and saltfish and shrimp. Lord have mercy, the thing I gonna turn up in here this morning. The thing is gonna turn way up in here this morning. This is how you peel them. Clean off the shell, pick off the tail, and then you're good to go. Now that my water is boiled or reach boiling point, I'm gonna put 1 cup of grits. So it's 1 cup of grits to 4 cups of liquid milk, water, whatever you want to use. And then you stir and make sure that it doesn't stick. You want to stir the pot. And the type of grits I'm using is instant grits, as you can see. And so this takes about 5 to 7 minutes to cook in total. So you just want to reduce your heat and allow that to simmer. Next, I'm going to be adding some coconut oil. Yes, extra virgin coconut oil to olive oil that I've already put in the pot. And I've just put, you can put how much oil you want. I'm putting about 3 or 4 tablespoons of coconut oil to about the same olive oil. Next, I'm gonna add my seasonings, my onions, my garlic, my scallions or green onion, shadow benny, and you just want these to sweat a little bit, and then you start the cooking process. Now that they have sweat and they're looking nice, I'm gonna add my saltfish that I've already boiled and pick up and make sure it's nice. And yeah, so I'm adding my saltfish and I'm gonna saute that right quick, and I'm gonna start adding the rest of my ingredients. You want to fully incorporate your saltfish, stir fry it, saute it nicely. Now you want to add some shrimp. Alright, now add my shrimp at this point. And guys, I know most folks will tell me that I'm adding the shrimp too early. Please bear with me today. It's one of those days when you want to be in the kitchen and out of the kitchen as fast as possible. So I'm just doing it real quick. Now I'm adding my green seasoning, and the green seasoning is awesome, guys. It brings a lot of flavor, and I'm gonna make sure that the link is there. Somewhere on the page you're gonna see a little round circle, and that's the link for the green seasoning. You can also watch that video and learn how to make your own. So I'm gonna add my green seasoning, guys, and just mix it in properly, and then we move on to adding the rest of the ingredients. Next up, I'm adding my Ackees, guys. And guess what, guys? These was previously frozen Ackees. As you can see, there's two different colors to my ackee. That means there's two different types of ackee. Now, again, if you're freezing your ackee and you're doing it for your own home or whatever, you want to, you can mix them or you can't mix them. One is a little bit harder than the other, but it's not a major problem. As a matter of fact, I love it because it looks very nice. You want to incorporate your ackees as much as possible. And I've been boiling them for about 20 minutes to 30 minutes, depending on the ackee and the type of ackee and all of that. And so, yeah, I'm working with my ackees, two different types of ackees. Now I want to add my tomatoes. And remember, folks, this is not an ordinary ackee and saltfish dish. I have shrimp in it, and I have tomato. Some people don't use tomato in them ackee and saltfish, but bear with me. It's a different vibes, it's a different style. Turn your hand and make fashion. That's my motto, and that's what I'm sticking to. Yes, turn my hand and make fashion. Now you want to work on making a little gravy, yeah? So I'm gonna add my bell peppers and just, you know, make it look nice, make the dish look real cool. Yeah, you want to put in your bell peppers. Again, guys, this is optional. I am just turning my hand and making fashion, like what my mama told me. All right, so me make sure say me try a new thing, a new style ever so often. Yes, man, you have to do that, man. That's how you keep the variety going, because variety is the spice of life. Me know some people is, you know, 100%, you know, traditional and all that, and nothing is wrong with that. I'm just doing it my way, so bear with me. I want to add some water to this because I think it needs a little gravy. So you want to add little water to this, add your own type of powdered seasoning, whatever you use. I use garlic powder, and I use paprika, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. Me use cayenne pepper. So add your own little thing, stir it up, make it be your own, and make it nice and vibesy. Yes, man, I saw the thing set. At this stage, you want to add a little butter to your dish just to finish up the dish, make your gravy thicken, and you know, bring a little bit of life, a little bit of oomph, and have that nice butter flavor at the end of the dish. And I'm using some extra virgin olive oil butter. You can use your preference. If you want to use a little bit more coconut oil, you can do that as well. But bear with me, I choose a little bit of butter. And you just want to stir in your pot and finish up your pot now. Check your seasoning, add a little bit more water if you want your gravy thick. Do what you have to do and make your pot be your finished dish. This is not where you follow no recipe. Now for the plating. I'm adding my grits, ladies and gentlemen, to my plate. And usually I use a bowl, but today I want to use a flat plate, so bear with me. You can also add more coconut milk to your grits and it becomes a little bit softer, but I love it, the texture that it is now. And as you can see, I'm not wasting anything. No, sir. Now I'm adding my ackee, and I promise you, I am just overjoyed at how this came out. I did not expect it to turn out like this. I didn't get up this morning and say I was gonna make ackee and saltfish with shrimp and grits. It just came about. That's what my mama said. Turn your hand and make fashion, and somehow or the other it works. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to have all the recipes in hand or be trained by an expert chef or anything like that. You just have to have a love for food and a real creative mind. My ackee and saltfish with shrimp and grits is awesome. The whole house smells good and everybody like it. Tell me in the comment box what you think about it. Do you like it? Is it something that you will try in your neck of the woods? Let me know now. Tell me how you're going to turn your hand and make fashion. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and remember to check the description box for ways and means in which you can connect with Yardie Belly TV. All my social media links are there, plus my Patreon account is there, and other ways in which you can not only sponsor, but you can donate. You can talk to me at your leisure. Once again, this is Taste Buds, and this is Yardie Belly TV. Oh me look, guys. Oh me look. Tell me the truth. Oh me look. You like it? Comment below. Remember, if you do like it, give me a thumbs up now. Make me feel encouraged. Thank you so much. Yardie Belly TV. Taste Buds. And you know, me almost forget some of did boil 2 okra. Yes, man. Me boil 2 okra, so you know me have to add them to the plate. That's how it is in your Yardie Belly kitchen. Okra and fleek. Remember, guys, like, share, subscribe, and everything. Remember, just show me love. Show me love.